video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on the bag that I picked up from Gucci. At first I wasn't going to do this video, but my most popular videos on my channel are my luxury and like handbag type of videos, so I figured why not do this video. It is my first piece from Gucci, so it's pretty exciting. I've had my eye on this piece for a while now. So yeah, if you guys want to see what I got, then please keep watching. So because I feel like this video is going to be super quick, I'm also going to do like a mini review on this piece that I got as well. And if you guys want to see like a what's in my bag with this bag, then let me know and I could do that video as well. Yeah, this is the box. I love Gucci's boxes and dust bags. I think the black and white is just so pretty. Yeah, as you can tell, I did get a smaller piece from Gucci with the care card or something. And then this is the dust bag. Okay, and what I got was the Gucci Marmont mini chain bag in the shade Nude. This is what it looks like. This bag is so beautiful. I've been wanting this for so long. It is classified as a wallet because there is a built-in wallet, but it's such a big wallet on chain. Like, you can fit a ton of stuff in here. So that is what it looks like. It has the GG in gold on the front. And then on the back, it has like the GG imprinted on the chevron leather. I wanted this bag in nude because I wear all black like 90% of the time, and I just feel like with an all black outfit, this would really stand out and really look amazing. So that's why I did go with the nude. I do love this bag in black as well, and maybe one day I'll get it in black, I don't know. But the nude was definitely my favorite color out of all of them. They do come in like white, red, I think a purple, and then black and nude, but I love this color. It's like the perfect nude. It's not too light, it's not too dark, not too brown. It's just such a beautiful shade, and I'm so in love with this bag. It has a zipper closure, and another reason why I wanted this bag compared to, there's a popular one that's out. There's one that's really popular. I think it's called the camera bag. It's more of a round shape, and that bag is so pretty. I like that one a lot, but I liked this one more because it has a gold chain, and I love the way a gold chain looks on a bag. It's definitely my favorite. I would rather a chain than like a leather strap. I just feel like it gives it so much more. So that is why I went with this bag. This bag is also a lot cheaper than the other bags. It's not cheap, but compared to the other Gucci Marmont pieces, this one is on the cheaper side. So I'm going to open it up and show you guys what's in it. So you have a good amount of space. You could definitely fit a phone. This is my iPhone 7, and you can see that it is a lot bigger than the iPhone. So you could fit your iPhone, you could fit keys in here, you could fit like a mini key pouch or a mini wallet in here. So that is the inside. It has a beautiful suede interior. It is so pretty. I'm obsessed with that. And then you see the built-in wallet. And another feature that I love about this is it has a zipper compartment in the bag, so right behind like the wallet, so you could fit even more stuff in there. The chain is a really good length on me. I am 5'1", and it hits me like perfectly at the hips. So yeah, this bag is so perfect. I feel like for the money, it is definitely worth it. It's such a beautiful piece, and I'm really happy with it, and I'm glad that I got it. Like I said, I would totally get this in more colors. I love the fact that it has enough space for your phone and like a mini wallet and your keys, because a lot of the other wallet on chains that I've seen and some that I have, you can only fit your phone and like your cards in the card slots, and you can't fit like anything else. So I like that this one actually has enough space, and it's not super tiny, but it is a small bag. So yeah, I know this video is really quick. If you guys have any questions about this bag, leave them in the comments below and I will definitely answer them. Let me know if you want to see any more future videos with this bag or any other bag. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.